Welcome to ANS Solver question 22. Calculate AB. So firstly, a 2 by 2 matrix is written in the form A, B, C and D. Now, we have to work out A, or the matrix A, multiplied by the matrix B. How you do that is, we have to work out for A, the first row of the first of A multiplied by the first column of B. For B, for the value B, it would be the first row or the second row of it would be the first row of matrix A multiplied by the second column of matrix B, and so on for C and D. So let's go ahead and solve this. So for A, we have to do 2 multiplied by 3 plus 7 multiplied by 0. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, 7 multiplied by 0 is 0, so 6 plus 0. This would give us the value of A. Now for the value of B, the first row of matrix A multiplied by the second column of matrix B. So 2 multiplied by 4 would give us 8, and 7 multiplied by 1 would give us 7. Now for value C, we have to multiply the second row of matrix A with the first column of matrix B. So 1 multiplied by 3 would give us 3, and 3 multiplied by 0 would give us 0. Now for the value of D, we have to multiply the second row of matrix A with the second column of matrix B. So 1 multiplied by 4 would give us 4, and 3 multiplied by 1 would give us 3. So therefore, your final answer for AB would be 6, 15, because 8 plus 7 is 15, 3 plus 0 is 3, and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 6, 15, 3 and 7. Now we have to find the inverse of A. So there's a formula. It's a really easy one that you need to remember for inverse of a matrix. That is 1 divided by AD minus BC multiplied by the matrix D minus B minus C A. All you need to do is shift the numbers a bit here and there. So let's work this out. So 1 divided by A multiplied by D in the A matrix would be 2 multiplied by 3, so that would be 6, minus B multiplied by C, so 1 multiplied by 7 would be 7. So 6 minus 7 multiplied by the matrix. So now we just have to shift the places of the numbers. So 3 would come up, your 7 would become minus 7. The C, that is 1, would become minus 1, and the 2 will come to the bottom right, so 2. Now the matrix, the constant that we are multiplying with the matrix is going to be minus 1 multiplied by the inverse of A, that is 3 minus 7 minus 1 and 2. So when we multiply minus 1 to these values, so 3 multiplied by minus 1 would be minus 3. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 7 would be 7. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 would be 1. And minus 1 multiplied by 2 would be minus 2. Therefore, this being your final answer for question 22 part B.